everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. This is my spring DIY part 3 of my 4-part series, and today I have 3 more DIYs in this video for you. So I'm starting off with my first DIY, which is a nautical plant holder, and I'm using up a piece of scrap from another DIY that I did, which I haven't yet posted. I may or may not have, I'm not sure, but it's a picture frame chicken wire type DIY, and I'm using the bottom of a trash can from the Dollar Tree. And all I did was cut the bottom off using scissors. It's really easy to cut through as long as you have a good pair of scissors. And other than that, some nautical rope, which you can also get from the Dollar Tree, and of course some hot glue, and that is it. I also use a lot of pink clips that you'll see me use throughout my videos, and I do get a lot of questions about them. You can also get those from the Dollar Tree. They're just really great at helping to hold a project in place while you're gluing it down. So just in case you're wondering about those clips, which you're going to see me use here in a moment. All right, guys, let's get started. I hope you enjoyed DIY number 1. Alright guys, moving right into my second DIY. This is a mirror inspired DIY. It was inspired using these really beautiful fans that you may have seen me haul in my Dollar Tree hauls. Absolutely gorgeous. This isn't really specific to spring. It can be done year round, but these colors just reminded me of spring and they're just so beautiful. And I knew that I wanted to do an art piece on my wall using these fans. So this is one of those DIYs where you envision one thing but it turned out to be different. I really did not anticipate or think about the thickness of the fans, so I did have to work around that and change up my DIY a little bit. So I am going to be using this round mirror, which is also from the Dollar Tree, and that's going to be my centerpiece that I'm going to be using to decorate with the fans. It's really super simple, guys. Other than that, I'm using a little bit of hot glue, and all you see me doing here is I just took the stud out from the, or not a stud, I guess it's like more of a screw or a nail that holds the fan together. I just pulled it out to take the fan apart so that I can work more easily with it. All right guys, I hope you enjoy DIY number 2. Alright guys, and moving into my final DIY, which is a floral inspired DIY using this can, which is not from the Dollar Tree, but the Dollar Tree does have a lot of really cute cans like this. This one I actually thrifted from a secondhand store for $1.99. Other than that, all of these really beautiful florals from the dollar store. I love their wildflower. Absolutely beautiful with some daisies, of course a floral foam, some hot glue, and some nautical rope I'm going to continue to use for this project, and a few LED lights as well. And that's it for this DIY. Enjoy, guys. Alright guys, so there you have my 3 DIYs for my part 3 series. Let me know below in the comments which was your favorite, and stay tuned for my final part 4 coming to you soon. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Love and peace to you all. Bye.